everybody, my name is Matthew Allen, and I am here with Ronnie. Woo! Yay! And we are about ready to play the famous backstage game show, Rachael's Roulette.
Super famous. I actually forced Matt to make me do this. I forced him to let me do this. Whatever the wording is. I forced Matt, basically, which is what I do.
Before we start, we have to sing the theme song. There's clapping involved, so get ready.
Song. Okay.
We are now ready to play Rachael's Roulette. It's Rachael's Roulette.
Am I supposed to sing along?
You can if you want. You can do it again. Okay.
Okay.
And now we're ready to play Rachael's Roulette. Rachael's Roulette. It's Rachael's Roulette. There we got it. Got it.
Oh, I did 3 claps.
That's fine.
It's fine. I'm harmonizing. Clap, harmonizing.
Clappinizing?
Yep, clappinizing.
Okay, Ronnie, go ahead and give us your first spin.
Okay.
That was a very good spin.
I know. I'm a really good spinner. Ah!
Busted move! Okay, this is your go-to dance move.
What is my
Like if you're at a wedding or a
oh my gosh,
party or a club.
Oh, this one. Is that bad? I'm about 80 pounds of booty.
No, that was perfect. That's
Okay,
your go-to.
cool.
That's, you know, it is what it is.
Yeah, it is. I'm a very good dancer from my previous dancing days.
Were you a dancer?
No?
Oh.
Do I look like a dancer?
You never know.
Like by myself in the shower.
Spin number 2.
Okay.
Rachael's Roulette.
This is a very satisfying to spin this. Do you just do this on your own?
Yes, we play with this in our office all the time. Rumor has it, what's the weirdest, craziest thing that you've ever heard about yourself?
Oh my gosh. Like from my mom, probably. Every rumor is true, though, so I feel like so it's not a rumor, right? It's funny. My Instagram followers are like really nice, really like positive.
That's lovely.
They don't make up rumors.
So what's the nicest thing you've heard about yourself?
That I'm so beautiful.
That's a good one.
It's very nice. They're very nice. I'm like, gosh, I need to have you guys around like all the time.
All right, give it spin number 3.
All right.
Third and final.
If there's another bust a move, I don't have any.
No, we'll spin again.
Literally, I will just constantly make. Nah! Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Beautiful!
Yeah, I'm also an ex-singer, as you can tell.
Ex-singer
/ dancer.
I'm actually going to make you spin one more time because I really want it to land on food play. Because I want you to have to make
I'm actually very good at that.
So we're gonna like...
I did it!
Oh my god, I landed on food play!
play!
Okay, so food play works. Take your choice of color.
Okay.
Make
And
your...
only one color?
You can only use one... Well, no, yeah, one color.
Okay, if I need to, I'll ask.
Make your favorite food out of it, and then I have to guess what your favorite food is.
Okay. Okay, I need to put it on your hands, though, because there's multiple parts to it.
This is only like the 3rd time we've gotten food play, and I'm not gonna lie, I've guessed it each time.
You have guessed it each time? Well, that's because... Wait, am I making it easy for you?
It's up to you. That's your choice.
Well, I don't want to trick you. Oh my god, it's been so long since I've played with Play-Doh. Do you have any idea what I'm making?
No.
I'm not tricking you, though. This is actually literally... Like, once you see it, you'll totally get it.
They're like little shell-shaped looking kind of situations.
Like, like, if you don't guess it and then I tell you what it is, you'll be like, oh, like, that's so obvious.
Is it macaroni and cheese?
Yeah! Oh, I told you! Yeah, exactly!
Yeah!
Oh my god. Exactly, see? I told you.
I got it.
I'm pretty good, right?
No,
that was
I'm
good
really
with my
good.
fingers. Yeah.
I was very impressed with that.
Yeah.
Ronnie Woo, thank you very much for playing this game
Thanks,
with us.
Maddie.
Until we spin again, this has been Ronnie Woo, backstage at Rachael Ray.
What's up? Bye!